Morning squad, my name is Sergeant Hines. Would you please do me a favor and please sign in on the sheet here? Thank you. Today we're going to be conducting practicing noise, light, and litter discipline in accordance with 071-COM-0815. Conditions. Giving conditions. You are a member of a mounted or dismounted element conducting a tactical mission and have been directed to comply with noise, light, and litter discipline. Enemy elements are in the area of your operation. So iterations of this task should be done in MOT 4, but we are going to not be doing anything in MOT 4. Standards. Prevent enemy from locating your element by exercising noise, light, and litter discipline at all times. The risk assessment today is low. Be aware of the wildlife here in our outdoor environment. Do not approach any wildlife. Be aware of holes or branches in which you may trip over. And stay hydrated. We're outside. Okay, some of the equipment we're going to be using today is our M4 rifle, our will be a flashlight, and some litter. Okay, so now we're going to go over the performance steps. So exercising noise discipline. Avoid all unnecessary vehicular or foot movement. Secure with tape or other materials metal parts, for example, weapon slings, canteen cups, identification tags, to prevent them from making noise during movement. Do not obstruct any of the moving parts of weapons or vehicles. Avoid all unnecessary talk. Use radio only when necessary. Set radio volume low so that you can hear. Use visual techniques to communicate. Exercising light discipline. Do not smoke. The smoking of cigarettes, cigars, etc. can be seen and smelled by the enemy. Conceal flashlights and other light sources so the light is filtered. For example, underneath a poncho or a whoopee that we have here. Cover or blacken anything that reflects light, for example, metal surfaces or vehicle glass. Conceal vehicles and equipment with any available natural camouflage. Exercising litter discipline. Establish a litter collection point. Empty food containers, empty ammunition cans or boxes, old camouflage when occupying a position. Verify that all litter has been collected in preparation before we make movement. And take all litter whenever you are leaving a position. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate what I'm talking about here. So the first thing we're going to do is secure the slings on our weapons. To do this, getting your weapon, get some electrical tape. A little bit of tape here. Securing the sling so it doesn't make any noise here. Break off the electrical tape. The back end here, you have this little clip. Ensuring your little clip doesn't make any noise. Okay. Now we're going to move on to light filtering of light. So you got your flashlight here. Here's our little map that we got. I'm going to get a poncho. Ensure that the poncho is covering all of your body. Get your flashlight here. You can turn it on. And now you can now look at your map while you're filtering light. So the enemy's not going to be able to see that you have an open flashlight looking at something. Alright, then we're going to move on to litter discipline. So let's say that you're sitting down here, we're eating, we're finishing our MREs. say you left some trash on the ground. So our squad leader is telling us to move out, so we got to move out. So you're going to police up your area. Make sure you get all your trash, just stick it in your cargo pocket, no big deal. That's how you're exercising litter discipline. It's too easy, right?
Sounds good, sir.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and provide you with the equipment. You're going to go ahead and be able to practice.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got to take the tape off here so you can practice. Rifle, flashlight will be take it for you. So you got your rifle, you're gonna take a knee or do whatever you're gonna do. It's easier if you set on your buttstock and just go ahead and play in the air. Obviously make sure the weapon's clear. I'll make sure that it's no, that's okay. Make sure you tape up that little metal piece there. Perfect. Good job. Perfect. Alright, you can put it up. You can go ahead and set it to the side. Good, perfect. Now letting any light through, it's perfect. Good job.
Police up the area.
Good job. You're moving out, Star. Good job. Alright, so for this rotation, we're going to be doing it in real time. So you're going to pretty much do everything that you just did. Good job. But so I'm going to go ahead and read basic conditions and standards. So you are a member of a mounted or dismounted element conducting a tactical mission. You have been directed to comply with noise, light, and litter discipline. Enemy elements in your area of there are enemy elements in the area of your operation. So the duration of this task will be conformed in Mach 4. But today we will not be performing any tasks in Mach 4. Standards. Prevent enemy from locating your element by exercising light, noise, and litter discipline at all times. Your squad is stopped and it has been instructed to set up camp for the night. You're instructed to be in compliance with noise, lights, and litter discipline. So go ahead and show me exercising the noise, light, and litter discipline. Soldier? Really good?
Yep.
I don't have any, you are going all stations. No, I have no issues with that. That was perfectly fine. Is there anything that you wanted to, actually, let me go ahead and hand my results of training to my NCO. Staff Sergeant. Here is the soldiers that go in all stations. Here's the information. Do you have anything? So we're going to conduct quick AARs. Is there anything that you want to do differently?
No, sorry.
Perfect. Awesome. All right, so let's make sure that our equipment is accounted for. Let's piece everything up. All right, and today you learned how to practice noise, light, and litter discipline in accordance with 071 COM 0815. Good job, soldier.